Hey everybody, coming to you from the Medtronic Twin Cities Marathon for our first fall series. It's been a great day, lots of people out here running, having fun. My son's doing his first marathon, so we're out here cheering. Let's get into the office, show you some cool Salesforce stuff, and we'll see you at the end. This video is going to give you an overview of the important elements to understand when you're working with the new Agentforce agent components with Salesforce. First, I want to point out, please take a look at the Trailhead that is titled Quick Start, Build Your First Agent with Agentforce. That is what I'm using to show you today. It's free. You can go here, and when you get in to configure it, you will create your own playground, which is what I'm accessing, and it walks through everything you need to build, which again, I'm going to talk about shortly. So very, very detailed, step-by-step, takes about 20 minutes, and you will have an instance of Salesforce like this that you can use. At the end of the day, you will have an Experience Cloud site, a website for a customer to log into, and your agent will be prominent in the bottom right corner. I'm not going to do my demo from here, just want to show you that you have your bot and you interact with it. I want to do it in a different screen so you can see more, but that's where you'll end up. Now, when we're working with this, we're talking about being at a resort, and I want an agent for my visitors to be able to go in and learn about activities and book activities. If I was going to do that on my own, I would need to have a contact. So in this case, we're going to be Sophia Rodriguez. That's the part of the demo. I need to know the interests of Sophia because I'd like to present activities that match her interests. I need to have a table or a data object of all of my experiences. In this case, I have 54 experiences to pick from. And when I go inside of each one, I have costs and capacities and information. I'm going to use that in the agent. And then I want to be able to book these experiences with a person on a date for a time and have that in there. So how do I do that? First of all, again, I can't reiterate more. This all needs to be built out in Salesforce and the data organized for your agent and your AI to take advantage of. This is the data your AI will be grounded in. So in our case, it's contacts, it's experiences, it's sessions, and it's bookings, those 4 objects. Without these objects, I can't show you what I'm about to show you. Okay, so you'll go in here and your little test will build out a Coral Cloud agent. You'll click on it and you will see this information. I'm going to fast forward to the actual builder, which you will go and explore when you're doing this off to the right. I've gone through and done a whole session with Sophia here. It started out, I'm your bot. I've authenticated myself, told the bot or the agent that I'm Sophia Rodriguez. And I asked it, what activities might I like? And it told me the activities, and these match those 3 things on my contact record. Then I said, tell me more about whitewater rafting. It gave me all the data based off that experience record. And you know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to go like this and just pull this apart so that we could maybe see that side by side as we are looking at it. So let's go like this. That'll be a little better. And now we can watch it happen. So over here, I was looking at, again, at the whitewater rafting. That's an experience, whitewater rafting. There's my data that was here. Then I said I want to book it. I'd like to book a session on November 5th. So now I need to go over bookings, and I need to go through in here and process a new booking. I got to pick from the available sessions that were on that date. Then I said, hey, do I have any dinners scheduled in November? So now it needed to look at what I had already booked and tell me. So here's what I have. Where did it find that? It went back to my contacts, went to Sophia, looked at related, looked at all my bookings, and it found all these seaside gourmet dinners in November. So it told me about them. Then I said, do I have any whitewater rafting bookings? And it showed me the 2 whitewater rafting bookings that are down at the bottom. And then I said, book me something on November 7th. It gave me 2 choices. I picked one, asked for the cost, and I got it done. There's my November 7th booking. So as you can see, the agent is taking advantage of the structure, the metadata, the rows and the columns that we intelligently built into Salesforce. A regular agent, a regular human would be able to do the exact same tasks in the exact same way.
it just might take a little bit longer. And I think what you're seeing in this demonstration of a customer service agent is that information that can be logically organized like this and moved over to an agent that's AI based would free up your customer agent human to do other more difficult tasks that we couldn't give to AI. So that is my overview here. Again, the point of this is you have to be able to build out your solution with data objects and ground it that way before your agent can take advantage of it. And this is a really, really good use case that explains and shows how that works. Thanks for taking your time to look at this. I look forward to bringing you more of these in the near future.
Finishing up at the Minnesota State Capitol. Great day at the Medtronic Twin Cities Marathon, and we'll do it again next year. I won't be running, but my son will. We had success. So thanks for joining for this episode, and we look forward to talking soon.